Welcome to Ethereal, where we keep it real. This is going to be your July 15th news updates around the most important things that happened today, given Ethereum cryptocurrency and where it's headed. Let's dive right into it. First piece of news here, Standard Chartered opened a fully regulated spot ETF trading desk for fund managers and corporates. This is huge. The sort of impact this has is huge. This is a top tier bank backing ETH, bringing fresh institutional buy-side demand and also legitimizing the asset for other global banks. This is a great first step. This is amazing bullish news that we do want to see, especially given the climate of this week and where crypto is headed in the US legislation. Let's go ahead and jump into the very next piece of news here that's very important to keep in mind. We have SharpLink Gaming boosting its treasury to 280K-ETH. This is now the largest corporate ETH holder. And if you don't believe me, just go ahead and look at the traditional markets and how that affected SharpLink's value as a stock. On this channel, we don't cover anything other than Ethereum unless it directly impacts it, such as this company. But this company is listed under the traditional markets, and you can go buy stock in this publicly traded company. Full disclosure, I've done that myself. And in the past week and a half, this company is almost at 2x gains, and there still hasn't been any official releases regarding Ethereum's forward direction, although all news point to bullish sides, and we're still waiting to see what the legislation outcomes are later this week. SharpLink is already posting profits, and these news are bolstering its position regarding the ETH's environment, and it's only looking like it's going to move upwards from here. Lastly, looking at the most important news here, we have Bitwise began publishing daily on-chain proof of reserves for its Ether ETF. This adds transparency, it builds investor trust, it likely pulls in more inflows and pressure arrivals to ETFs to match the standard. This sort of impact is exactly the sort of direction we want to see, the sort of change we want to see if we want to go towards a bullish direction, and that's exactly what we're seeing on these news pieces coming out. Not to mention the SharpLink Gaming mentioned here. This is a big ticket corporate tightening its liquid supply. I mean, this sets a copycat precedent for other public companies. Other companies are going to see the outcome of their implemented strategy that they technically also copied from companies like MicroStrategy doing it on Bitcoin. But the point is that the success coming out of this stuff is going to start trickling over the other companies that have treasuries and they want to reorient their exposure to sort of cryptos like this. That being said, encompassing everything we've talked about today, we have a tier 1 bank that's now trading spot ETF. We have public companies that are stockpiling it like SharpLink. We have ETF issuers that are beefing up transparency. So collectively, these steps reduce perceived risk and they chip away at the remaining liquidity. They're bolstering Ethereum's long-term bull case, even though short-term it's been kind of all over the place, which is the great transition I have for our end of video quick technical analysis. If you had the opportunity to watch my live stream on Sunday night about 4 days ago, you knew that on that stream, about the time we wrapped up the stream, we were here as far as price action. And we were moving towards a very good direction to kind of challenge this 3069 Fibonacci retracement level. And as you can see, we did briefly break above that, but also got rejected. And this is very healthy price action. As you can see, this support line is absolutely being respected multiple times across this price action. And then given that everybody's kind of waiting to see what the outcome of these legislations are going to be later this week in the US Congress and Senate, as well as the one going to the president's desk for signing. This is all kind of setting up for a great opportunity for everyone on the sidelines that's waiting to see the outcome before they make a move. And that's why companies like SharpLink are moving up. So that being said, as far as technical analysis go, I would like to continue seeing this support line be a very strong support for us moving forward. That doesn't mean the movement's going to be fully upwards. As you can see, we did comfortably break above the 61% retracement level and hit almost 3,100. And all metrics kind of propose that if we do comfortably move above this 3,100 level for Ethereum, there's going to be some very exciting price action that we should be expecting as far as liquidating shorts and potential short squeezes, not in the traditional market sense, but the fact that one, supply is drying up, and two, there seems to be a lot of shorting going on and people that don't believe that this coin's going to perform. That being said, if it does move forward the way we expect it to based on the outcome of the legislations, you can expect an astronomical move upwards, potentially to even test out this 3,500 78% retracement level. But for now, we're going to keep our eyes close to this outcome and keep you posted on news every single day this week as it comes out in short video format like this. If you have any questions, make sure to post it in the comment section. I'll make sure to come back around and answer those. But for now, I appreciate your time tuning in. Make sure you tune back for future updates. Ethereal, keep it real.